南部岛美术之手制 DIY 包包记录。这是由淘宝买回来的冰岛毛线，里面是棉花，外面是由布包裹而成。商家有附教程，大概1个小时内可以编完，像这样一直套、一直套、一直套，把毛线变成 S 型，再穿过另外一个毛线，重复这个动作，你就可以得到一个包体。再把它翻过来，接着编出圆圆胖胖的把手，我编长一点，超可爱。成品就是这样，像云朵的水桶包。
My girlfriend always jokes that she wants a luxury bag from Hermes as an anniversary gift. When I looked online at the price of a Birkin, I couldn't believe it. $100,000 for a bag is crazy, but what was even crazier was instead of paying, I decided to surprise her and make my own. At first I thought it was going to be pretty simple. I found blueprints online and cut them out. Then I went to a local leather store and picked out some awesome black-dyed crocodile leather. The first problem I encountered was not being able to find leather that luxury companies use. When I went to the local leather store, they helped me pick out a high-quality crocodile leather that only cost $80. The leather plus some tools cost around $400. Then I thought it was going to be as simple as cutting shapes out and assembling the pieces, but right off the bat I made some rookie mistakes and wasted a bunch of good leather. Cutting out the shapes, which I started by using a kitchen knife. Bad idea. Probably the hardest part of the project was sewing all the pieces together. This was very challenging because every hole had to be hand punched and sometimes I had to punch them twice because of how thick the leather was. Then I had to push the needle through each hole and make sure they were all lined up. Since there were several hundred holes to go through, my fingers went numb and I had to take a lot of breaks. I finally understand why luxury companies charge so much for these handbags. There are so many steps involved and each step can take a lifetime to master. There were a lot of times I felt like giving up and I didn't realize how hard it was going to be as a first project. Despite these challenges and being 1 month late for our anniversary, the process was joyful and I'm glad I could make something from scratch. It didn't turn out perfect, but that's all part of the process. How do you think it turned out?